Hello there, Jedi Knights. This is your Wednesday, yes, Wednesday math columns, math spiral video help support. And I wanted to take a peek and zoom in on one. I'm so excited to show you this one. I love this one. I'm such a dork. I was thinking we should do draw and label the three types of triangles. I love these. Okay, ready? So the way the problem is written is a little nutty to me because there's not just three types of triangles, there's six. So it really should say draw and label six types of triangles. But I think I understand where it's coming from. You can label triangles by their sides, and you can label triangles by or it's their angles. Okay. So I'll show you the sides first. Okay. So labeling triangles by their sides. One type of triangle is a triangle that has all three sides the same. So like all the same length. So like one, two, I don't know if that's about, hopefully that's about right. That's called an equilateral triangle. So if you said like all three sides are 6 inches, let's say, I just made that up, that is a type of triangle called an equilateral triangle. So that would be one that you can draw out for that equal, that's IL there, lateral. All the sides are the same. Okay, so that's one way to name a triangle. A second way to name a triangle with its sides is to have two of the sides the same. Okay, so like this guy's short, but these two are the same, and maybe each one is 2 millimeters long. And then this one is only 1 millimeter long. So only two of the sides are the same. That is called an isosceles triangle. Good luck spelling isosceles. Oh no, isosceles. As I'm writing it out, I'm like blanking on how to spell it. Here, hold on for a second. I'll get up. Make sure. Well, actually, I'll show you how I spelled it, and you can laugh, and then we'll see if I'm right or wrong. All right. Here, isosceles. Hold on. Let me type it. Make sure isosceles. Ooh, ISOSCELES. No E at the end. That's close. I had an E at the end. Sorry. So, second way to name your triangle can be by the sides is an isosceles triangle with the two sides that are same. Now, the third way to name a triangle by its sides is that every side would be different. So, like you have a short one, a really long one, and an even longer one. So maybe like 2 miles, 6 miles, and 7 miles long for that. No sides are the same, they're all over the place. So for that one, we call that one a scalene triangle. Scalene. All three sides are the different. So for sides, you can have three different kinds of triangles. You can have an equilateral triangle, an isosceles triangle, or a scalene triangle. All sides are the different lengths. Isosceles, only two sides are the same length. Equilateral, all three sides are the same length. Now, as I was telling you about that, there's really six kinds. You can also name your triangles by their angles. Let's see how I smile when I do this kind of stuff. I like these. So by its angles. So by its angles, if you had a triangle where all inside the triangle, every angle, this angle and this angle and this angle are all little baby triangles, or excuse me, angles less than a right angle. That's called an acute triangle because all three of the angles inside are acute. Okay, acute triangle. This was me. Okay, then you can have a triangle with a perfect corner in it. Let's pretend that's a perfect corner, right? So that's called a right angle. So guess what it's called? A right triangle. Now it can only happen once in a right triangle. You're going to have a right angle, and then these two guys are going to be acute. And then guess what's coming next? An acute triangle, a right triangle. And then are you thinking about it? Are you thinking what's coming next? There's a triangle, a little crooked, little wavy there. Sorry, that should be a little straighter. But this angle right here, that's a big, huge angle, right? That's an angle larger than the right angle. That's an obtuse angle. So that's called an obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle because it has one angle in it that's obtuse. A right triangle has one angle that's a right. And an acute triangle has all three angles that are a cute little baby. Okay, so that was your help on the triangles. I love that. And then let's see, right above it, 2.3 times 100, and then 2.3 times 10. Okay, so I'll start there. 2.3 times 100, you're going to get bigger than 2.3 because you're multiplying it by a bigger number, 100. 100 has two zeros in it, so that tells you take that decimal and move it to the right to make it bigger. Move it to the right twice because there's two zeros. So not 2.3, not 23, but add another one. So it was 2.3. Move it twice. So that empty there, I need to make into a zero. And now we get 230. So that's the answer for that one. And then 2.3 times 10, only move it once because there's one zero there. So that ends up not being a 2.3, but move it once and turns out to be 23. So that's that one. And I'm going fast, but you can rewind me and pause me. So that's okay. The next one was 2.3 times 0.1. So what I do for these is I just kind of, well, you can do it a couple ways, really. Why don't you just do it this way? 2.3 times, rewrite it like a straight up multiplication problem. And it's going to be like, feel a little redundant, but you'll see the answer. 2.3 times 0.1. So you're multiplying 2.3 by a small little less than one number. So you're not going to get 2.3 as an answer. You're going to get less than that. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. And everything else, nothing else. Now, this of course is our trick where we have to count how many places into the decimals come. 1, 2. 1, 2. So come down to your answer and come in twice. 1, 2. That's where your decimal goes. And so the answer is 0.23 on that one. Like I said, 0.23 is definitely way less than 2.3. So that's a good answer for that one. And then the last one was 2.3 times 0.01. I'm going to rewrite it this way. 2.3 times. Now remember, I make you write that and I say silly things like, he's naked, he needs his undies, whatever, that's goofy. But I'm actually going to get rid of it for this problem. But I'm going to keep my decimal. So I didn't change the value at all. I just decided not to put that 0 in the front, okay? So again, you just get to multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. Now, be careful. How many times do I have to come in with the decimal? 1, 1, 2. So if I add all that up, that's 3, right? 1, 2, 3 spots. So come over here. 1, 2, 3. So what do I put here? 0. So your answer for that one is 0.023. Okay, I hope that helps you. Keep rocking it out. You're awesome. Go Wednesday. Go 5th grade. Whoa, whoa. We're the best. I don't know where my pause button is. Sorry. Pause. Stop. Why